Hello everyone, and welcome back to
Speak English Easy
channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here with you all today.
It is. How are you doing today, Paul?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a very nice morning. And you, Emily?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for asking. I'm really excited about today's episode.
Me too, because today we are talking about a very important topic, easy conversations for beginners.
Yes, meeting new people can be a little scary, but a simple conversation is easy and fun.
It is. So, here is our plan for today. First, we will listen to a short dialogue between two people, Maria and David.
After we listen, we will talk about it. We will look at the simple words and phrases they use.
Yes, we'll break it down step by step. It will be a fun and relaxed analysis. Lots of laughs, I promise.
It's always fun with you, Paul. We will give you some great tips to help you have easy conversations.
Exactly. But before we start, please help our channel grow. Click the like button.
And if you are new, please subscribe. Also, share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, please do. It helps us a lot. Okay, are you ready to start?
I am ready. Let's listen to the dialogue.
Okay, everyone. Listen carefully to Maria and David's conversation.
Hello.
Hi there. How's it going?
It's going well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm David, by the way.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Maria.
A pleasure to meet you too, Maria. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. And you, David?
I'm from Australia.
Wow, Australia. That's amazing. I've always wanted to visit.
You should. It's a beautiful country. So, what do you do, Maria?
I am a teacher. I teach Portuguese. What about you?
I'm an engineer.
An engineer? That sounds challenging. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, very much. It's always something new.
That's great to hear.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love to travel and cook. And you?
I enjoy hiking and photography.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
It is. Well, it was a pleasure talking with you, Maria.
You too, David. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.
You too. Bye.
And that was the conversation. It was very nice and friendly.
Yes, it was. A perfect example of a simple chat. So, let's talk about it.
Okay, let's start at the very beginning. The greetings. Maria says a simple hello.
And David says, "Hi there." I like "hi there." It's so friendly and warm.
It is. Hi is great. Hello is great. Hi there is just a little extra friendly. It makes me smile.
Me too. Then David asks, "How's it going?" This is a great phrase.
It is. It just means, how are you? It's very common and very natural.
Yes, you can say, how are you? How are you doing? Or how's it going? They are all perfect.
And Maria's answer is lovely. It's going well, thanks. And then, this is very important, she asks back.
Yes, she says, how about you? This is the key to a good conversation.
It is. When someone asks you a question, it is very polite to ask them the same question.
Exactly. It shows you are interested in them, not just talking about yourself.
It keeps the conversation moving. It's like a game of catch. You throw the ball and they throw it back.
I love that. A conversation is a game of catch. That's a great way to think about it.
Okay, so what's next? David's answer. He says, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
So polite. Saying thank you for asking is a really nice touch. It shows you appreciate the question.
It really does. Then he introduces himself. I'm David, by the way.
Ah, the phrase, by the way. This is a useful one.
It is. We use it to add a little piece of information, almost like a side note.
Right. Like, I'm going to the park. By the way, do you want to come? It connects ideas smoothly.
A perfect example. And Maria's response is simple and perfect. Nice to meet you, David. I'm Maria.
Yes, nice to meet you is the #1 phrase for new people. Everyone knows it, and it's always correct.
And David says, a pleasure to meet you too, Maria. A pleasure is also very good.
It's a little more formal, maybe, but still very warm and friendly. I like it.
Me too. It sounds very kind. So, after introductions, what happens?
David asks a question to learn more about Maria. Where are you from?
Another classic question for a first conversation. It's a great way to find out more about someone.
Totally. And Maria answers, I am from Brazil. And then what does she do, Emily?
She asks back. And you, David? She is so good at this conversation game.
She is. She never forgets to throw the ball back. It's fantastic.
David says he is from Australia, and Maria's reaction is full of energy.
It is. She says, wow, Australia. That's amazing. This is so important.
I agree. Using words like wow, amazing, great, or cool shows you are listening.
It adds emotion to the conversation. It makes it more than just questions and answers. It makes it fun.
Exactly. And she adds, I've always wanted to visit. This is a golden phrase.
Oh, it's the best. It makes the other person feel good about their home.
Yes, if someone says they are from, let's say, Italy, you can say, wow, Italy. I've always wanted to see Rome.
Perfect. It creates a connection. It makes the conversation personal and interesting.
It really does. So after they talk about countries, David asks a new question.
He says, so, what do you do, Maria?
Let's talk about this question. What do you do is a common way to ask, what is your job?
Yes, it's much more natural. We don't really say, what is your job? What do you do is how we ask it.
Good point. And Maria answers very clearly, I am a teacher. I teach Portuguese.
And what does she do next? Everyone together now.
She asks back, what about you? Fantastic.
She is a conversation champion. David says, I'm an engineer.
Now, Maria could just say, oh, okay. But she says something much better.
Yes, she does. She says, an engineer. That sounds challenging.
The phrase, that sounds, is so useful. It's another way to show you are listening and thinking.
Yes. You can say, that sounds interesting. That sounds fun. That sounds difficult.
It shows you have an opinion or a thought about what they said. It makes them feel heard.
Exactly. And she even asks another question. Do you enjoy your work? Wonderful follow-up.
She is really good at this. She is making David feel very comfortable and happy to talk.
He says, yes, very much. It's always something new. And Maria replies, that's great to hear.
Another very positive and encouraging phrase. It shows support.
It's like saying, I am happy that you are happy. It's a very kind thing to say.
I agree. Okay, so we have greetings, names, countries, and jobs. What is left?
Hobbies, free time. David asks, so what do you like to do in your free time?
Another fantastic topic for a first conversation. It's light and fun.
It is. You learn a lot about a person from their hobbies. Maria says, I love to travel and cook.
And she asks back, and you? I think our listeners understand how important this is now.
Yes, I think so. It's the number one rule. David says, I enjoy hiking and photography.
I like that he used the word enjoy. You can say, I like, I love, or I enjoy.
Using different words is a great way to make your English sound more natural.
It is. And Maria, again with a great response, says, that sounds like a lot of fun.
There it is again. That sounds. See, it works for jobs and it works for hobbies. It works for everything.
It's a super phrase. You can use it in almost any conversation.
Okay, so the conversation is going great, but now it is time to end it. Saying goodbye is also a skill.
Yes, it is. You want to end the conversation politely. David does this very well.
He starts with well. He says, well, it was a pleasure talking with you, Maria.
That word, well, at the beginning, is a small signal. It signals that the conversation is coming to an end.
Ah, that's a great point. It prepares the other person. It's a soft way to start closing.
And the phrase, it was a pleasure talking with you, is so warm and polite.
Very polite. You can also say, it was really nice talking to you, or it was great meeting you.
All great options. Maria's response is also perfect. You too, David.
And she adds, I hope to see you again. Goodbye. This is a lovely thing to say.
It is. It shows that you enjoyed the conversation and you would like to have another one in the future.
Yes, and they finish with a simple goodbye and bye. A perfect, clean ending.
Wow. So when we break it down, we see it's made of many small, easy parts.
Exactly. The secret is to be interested in the other person. Ask questions, and then ask back.
And use those small, friendly phrases like, wow, that's amazing, and that sounds fun.
That's the whole magic recipe. Be curious, be positive, and be polite.
That was a really great analysis, Paul. I feel like I learned something too.
Me too. Maria and David are great teachers.
They are. Now, how about we listen to the dialogue one more time?
Excellent idea. Now that we have talked about all the phrases, listen again. Notice how friendly and natural it sounds.
Okay, everyone, let's listen one last time.
Hello.
Hi there. How's it going?
It's going well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm David, by the way.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Maria.
A pleasure to meet you too, Maria. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. And you, David?
I'm from Australia.
Wow, Australia! That's amazing! I've always wanted to visit.
You should. It's a beautiful country. So, what do you do, Maria?
I am a teacher. I teach Portuguese. What about you?
I'm an engineer.
An engineer? That sounds challenging. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, very much. It's always something new.
That's great to hear.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love to travel and cook. And you?
I enjoy hiking and photography.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
It is. Well, it was a pleasure talking with you, Maria.
You too, David. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.
You too. Bye.
And there you have it. A simple, natural conversation. It sounds so clear now, right?
Yes. We hope this episode helps you feel more confident when you meet new people and speak English.
Definitely. Remember, practice is so important. Even a short, simple conversation like this is wonderful practice.
That's right. And that is all the time we have for today. Thank you all so much for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe to
Speak English Easy.
channel so you don't miss our next episode. And please share this with a friend.
And we have a question for you. Please leave us a comment below. Tell us, what do you like to do in your free time?
Ooh, great question, Emily. We would love to read your answers. Until next time, take care and bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.